Hey precious family, welcome back to Glorious Amobrasia Kitchen. Adishema, me mo bibiara akwaba. You, and then the first time I'll show me me ma also akwaba. You, and then everybody is simple. Rolling ice cream. Very simple. Yeah, your money is simple. Condensed milk, and me want me heavy milk for her. Okay, condensed milk and heavy milk. And then it's a whooshy. Just pour your milk. Simple, nani. Okay. Now what the condensed milk egg. And they send you penny sweetness. Now why and what the side penny baby ya. When you me out there. When you must on you there. Didn't do be now open. Na fade. What franny na. Automate fruits and so come. Till canning in Afra. Until you may any plain. Men for cookies, men for BB. Yeah. Mixing in no one must swap a chef freezer. Natching 4 to 5 hours overnight, and so are you okay? See, simple. Okay, we'll try. No, I send you a big roll. See, kakran hima. And also few. Little by little, we get in there. See, kakran wants to echo. You quite a nim kakran. Near, maybe a crocron. See, you do have way to make you soon, son, so I should say. Oh, be quiet. You continue with your thing. I mean, you mean because I say, oh, yes. See, we know, I share gloves. Just wanted to roll. We get in there. Wahima. He's going too fast, right? Okay. We molding, rolling. And you come. Scream back when you see a crocker and say, how about turn quam and go speed? Okay, our rolling ice cream is done. You be trust what? Say, see, ice cream, Nini. Okay, see, no shall say. Okay, it's moving. Yep, and you can see here. Look. So really fine. You see, see a butcher. Maybe you can see our rolling ice cream is ready. So, do I divide it into two? I think I'll do that. So, then to see any. Yep. Okay. That's our rolling ice cream. Oops. And use rubber. Come on. I'm probably see baby never. And this is say fruits not big home. Say chocolate or say cookies so yeah so the fruits are yeah maca fruit is that one. Here decorating pepper. No. What better than color view? If I yellow now red. Say make decoration. Let's say. It's saying red kakra. Ice cream na FSC. On your face. And your face. Yeah. Rolling ice cream no. And any come on. Wait, when you have now your mama. The demonstration. Until no, Madam Massey. Monkosu and support the channel for more recipes. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Love you all.